Are we awake?
Yes!
Di ba these are supposed to be the youth?
Yes!
Okay, if we are the youth, then dapat alive tayo, di ba? Alive, gising. Okay? Alright, ulitin natin. Sino dito ang mga smart subscribers? Yeah! Okay! Very good! Kaya ko yung tinatanong kasi as long as you listen to my presentation, all the smart subscribers here this morning will get a chance to win a Nokia N8 cell phone. Okay? Now, again, only if you are a smart subscriber. So lahat ng mga subscriber na friendly competitors namin, better luck next time, okay? But remember, you have to listen to my presentation dahil hindi po ito raffle, okay? I will ask you a very simple question later. Ang sagot, nasa presentation ko, so you have to listen, okay? And then, ite-text nyo lang sa amin later. I will give you a number, and ite-text nyo lang sa number na yun kung ano yung sagot sa tanong ko. And whoever is the quickest or the fastest to answer through text will receive a brand new, ano to? NA. Ayan. Di ba exciting? O, paano naman exciting? Ayan. Very good. Okay. Sige. Okay, before I start my presentation, pwede pang magtanong. Sino sa atin dito ang anak, asawa, o pamilya ng isang seafarer? Wow. Okay, very good. Ako rin. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit. Alright, let's start the ball rolling. Okay, nung ako ay nasa high school, my lola and I used to communicate with my uncle once in a blue moon. Okay? Kasi sabi ng uncle ko, napakamahal tumawag. Sabi niya, if I remember it right, it was like $5 to $10 per minute, depending on which port he was in. Okay? At nakita niyo yan? I used to send letters to my uncle. I remember, pag meron akong gustong pantalon na bago, okay, I would send him a letter and say, Tito, Sandy, ganyan, pwede namang pambili ng ganitong pants kasi uso. Okay? So, papadala namin ng lola ko yung letter, darating sa kanya 2 months after. Sasagot naman ng uncle ko. Diba? Darating naman sa akin 3 months after, hindi na po uso ang pantalon. Diba? Okay. Pero dumating naman yung pera, so bibilin ko yung uso na ulit na pantalon na yan. But, just to prove my point, that back then, okay, communications was not affordable. It was very difficult for the Pinoy Marinos before to keep in touch with their families. Okay? Ngayon, ako po ay nasa Smart Communications, and through the vast resources of Smart Communications and its parent company, PLDT, we, together with my team, we were given the chance to develop and provide a communication service, a crew calling service that is affordable and within reach of lahat ng mga Pinoy na marino. Okay? At I'm very proud to say that ever since we launched this way back in 2001, hindi lang po mga Pinoy na marino ang gumagamit ng serbisyo namin called SmartLink. Okay? Marami na pong mga Koreans, Chinese, even as far as mga Montenegro. I don't know if you're familiar with this country in Serbia called Montenegro. Even the Montenegro seafarers actually use SmartLink. Okay, and for this we are very proud because SmartLink is the only homegrown Filipino crew calling service as we speak, okay, catering to the crew calling requirements of seafarers, whether Pinoy man sila or other nationalities. Okay? And when I say homegrown, Smart lang po ang merong ganitong klaseng serbisyo. Our friendly competitors have never been able to copy this, and we are very proud of that. Okay? Okay, ever since we launched this service, nakapaglagay na po kami ng almost 3,000 SmartLink terminals for free on board the same number of vessels. At halos lahat ng mga manning agencies natin dito sa Pilipinas ay partner ng Smart for this endeavor. Okay? So, itong mga future mga seafarer aspirants natin, sana pag nakasakay kayo sa barko, gamitin ninyo yung SmartLink. Okay? Gagamitin niyo ba? Gamitin nyo ha, kung hindi kayo mananalo sa cellphone mamaya. Okay? Alright. Now, SMART of course does not stop trying to improve our services. So from a limited coverage of Asia Pacific, through our partnership with Inmarsat, we were able to even expand our coverage even further. Ngayon po, pag may SmartLink sa isang barko, ang mga tatay, asawa ninyo, kapamilya ninyo ay nakakagamit ng SmartLink from Asia Pacific all the way to the Middle East, the Indian Ocean, Africa, hanggang certain parts of Europe. Okay? And later on, I will tell you even more exciting news about our products and services in Smart. Okay, through SmartLink, we also continue to develop value-added services such as this, no? Kaya tuwang-tuwa ang batang yan. Dahil, di ba, tuwang-tuwa siya. Kasi nakatanggap siya ng regalo galing sa tatay niya na nasa barko. Okay, paano nangyari yun? Kasi yung tatay niya, dahil may SmartLink sa barko, he is able to buy a gift for his kid. Pagtawag lang dun sa paggamit lang ng SmartLink. Okay, tatawag lang siya, nakakausap kami, and then he can order his gift, and then we deliver it to his kid. Okay? So yung may mga misis, marami ng mga misis na tuwing Valentine's Day, nakakatanggap sila ng bulaklak galing sa kanilang mga asawa. Even if their husbands, the seafarer husbands, are actually out there, nasa barko, nakakatanggap sila ng bulaklak. Diba? May ibang mga dyan, bakit, ay, naku naman, naalala pa ako ng asawa ko. Tuwan-tuwa na nakatanggap ng bulaklak sa Valentine's Day. Diba? Okay. Through VoiceMate naman, which is another value-added service, they can listen to Philippine news also, okay, kahit nasa gitna sila ng dagat. And through Medical, which is another value-added service, they can ask, pag may sakit sila sa barko, they can actually consult nurses or doctors about health and wellness, okay, via our health line. Okay, now, ang smart mo, as we evolve our business, we also realize that we are not just a service provider. We are actually your link, the seafarer's link, your loved one's link to the things that you and your loved ones hold close to your hearts. Okay? At ito, syempre, ang Pilipinas, our very own country, your friends, their friends, and of course, their families. Okay? Kami po ang nagsisilbing link ng mga mahal nyong seafarers para makausap nila kayo and continue to bond with you, even if they're far away from home. Okay? Alright. Okay. Pamilyang SmartLink. Okay. This is an advocacy. This is a campaign that we launched very recently, which aims to promote invaluable effects of constant communication. Through this, gusto po namin na makatulong sa mga marino to cope with the demands of loneliness habang nasa gitna ng dagat. And we have a lot of programs that cater or that caters to this need of seafarers. Okay? Meron din kami mga programa para sa mga misis. We call it the Love Ko Si Misis. So pumupunta kami sa mga iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas to our partnership with our manning agencies. Tapos kinakausap namin yung mga misis, nagbibigay kami ng mga programa to help them also beautify themselves, keep themselves healthy, para pagdating ni mister, maganda pa rin, maayos pa rin ang pamumuhay, maganda pa rin ang katawan, maganda pa rin si misis habang inihintay si mister. Okay? So, napaka-holistic ng approach namin para sa mga Pinoy seafarers at para sa pamilyang marino. Okay. Kung kayo po ay pamilyang marino, we would like to encourage you to visit our booth. I suppose lahat po tayo nakarating sa exhibit na may booth po kami doon. Just visit our booth and you will get the chance to win some of our cute prizes na nasa booth namin. Okay? Now, kung sa tingin po ninyo, maganda na ang servisyo namin na SmartLink ngayon, wait lang, because we have even further good news para sa inyong lahat. Ang SmartLink po sa ngayon is a communal phone. It's a single fixed phone na nilalagay namin sa isang barko. At lahat ng mga marino, whether 20 or 35 of them on board the vessel, share that fixed phone. Okay, so minsan pumipila pa sila while waiting for their turn. Ngayon po, the exciting good news that I'd like to share with everybody is that Smart, through our partnership with two Singapore-based companies, we developed an antenna system. Okay, it's a VSAT C-band antenna system. It actually won an award very recently sa Singapore for innovation. And as you know, Smart is always at the forefront of innovation. Through this innovation po, makakapag-provide na kami ng GSM onboard vessels. Ibig sabihin nun, lalo na sa inyo, no? Ibig sabihin nun, pag naging successful ang Smart dito sa bagong endeavor na ito, pag sakay niyo sa barko, okay, at nasa gitna kayo ng dagat, magagamit niyo na ang mga regular cellphones ninyo para makatawag sa pamilya ninyo at makapag-text. Gusto niyo ba yun? Ay, parang ayaw na. Medyo na. Gusto niyo ba yun? O, di ba? So, your dads, your husbands, and kayo, you don't need to wait to get to the nearest port para makapag-text kayo or makatawag. Okay, so you can now use your ordinary cell phones. And we hope to be able to launch this very soon. Sana within the next 6 to 12 months, ma-launch na ito ni Smart. And of course, this will be in partnership with the Philippine Maritime Industry, with all the manning agencies. And of course, I hope this is going to be an annual endeavor of Marisa and company, and then we will be back here hopefully next year to promote this new service. Okay, this new service will be called SmartLink GSM. Okay, we're going to take note. So SmartLink GSM. Okay. Okay. Now, kapag meron na pong SmartLink, sabi nga natin, pwede na tumawag, pwede na mag-text, but more than that, okay, magiging techie na rin si Daddy at saka si Mister. Bakit? Kasi habang nandun sila sa barko, pwede na rin sila mag-Facebook. Diba? Pwede na mag-shout out anytime, oy, naglaba ka na ba? Diba? Nagligo ka na ba, misis? Diba? Pwede na mag-shout out si Daddy. Okay? Exciting ba? Exciting, di ba? At hopefully, pwede na rin siya mag-email at pwede na rin mag-internet later on, okay? And all this, we will endeavor to make very affordable para sa mga Pinoy seafarers, okay? Now, hindi nagtatapos dyan. Because of this very powerful antenna that we are introducing, okay? Maaari na rin silang makanood ng mga local na programs, okay? Think PBA, Think Itbulaga. Yan, di ba? Habang nandun sila sa gitna ng dagat, maaari na rin silang manood ng basketball at manood ng Itbulaga. Ay, wait lang. Willing-willing pala kasi TV5. Okay? Alright. Okay, so, lahat po ng itong servisyo na ini-introduce namin ngayon sa inyo, all this we are doing so that you can continue to bond with your loved ones na nasa gitna ng dagat. Okay? And this is of course the power of communication, and as long as Smart is here, Smart will deliver. Will deliver your needs and will deliver your loved ones' needs habang sila ay nasa gitna ng dagat. But kayong mga anak ng mga seafarers, kapag ang mga tatay ninyo meron ng GSM habang nasa barko, do not hesitate to pick up that phone and call your dad. Okay? Because importante sa mga tatay ninyo ang makausap kayo. Okay? So, with the launch of SmartLink GSM, no ocean will be too large a divide to bridge for Smart and for you. Okay, you will continue to be linked with your families. At habang nandito po ang Smart, you can be sure that we will continue to provide affordable communications the techie way. Okay? So again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat kay Marisa at sa mga organizers for allowing us to talk to you this afternoon and imparting, sharing with you the products and services of Smart today and the products and services of Smart for the future para sa inyo. Okay? Alright, may hinihintay kayo? Ay, meron? Ano meron? Oh, sige, okay, may hinihintay tayo. Alright, before we flash the number, ito muna yung tanong. Okay, now, whip out your cell phones. Asan ang mga cell phones natin?